Hi everyone! In this video I'll show you how easy is embed and incorporate videos in SharePoint pages, promoting video trainings or meeting recordings. Let me show you. Let's go. Here I am in SharePoint. How to create a video news post. You have basically two ways to do that. The first one is by opening a video that you have already stored in a SharePoint site collection. Here I have my video document library. I'm going to click on this link to open a new tab and to have my video up and running. Now, I would like to reuse this video to create a new video page on my SharePoint site collection. To do that, I'm going in the upper right corner by clicking on the drop down here next to copy link, and there is a new option available, create video news post. This will open a new experience and I have several options already available. I have video templates to draft my video page. I have starter, I have the training, and here the template, how it looks like. And finally, I have a recap, which is pretty useful for meeting recaps, for example, or just a normal message template. There we go. Moreover, if you have documents on the SharePoint site, you can link this document directly on the page. At the very bottom, you will see additional link with all documents that you want to have on the page. Now let's go with this one, training. I'm going to click on Use Template. And now my new SharePoint page is created. I can change the title, of course, I am the author, and here we go. My video is already embedded on the page. So in a few clicks, you can create this kind of experience. Let's post this one. Now let me go back on another tab. I will go on the home page of this site, because I would like to show you a second approach that you can follow to create these kind of pages. I'm going to click on New and then I'm going to target News Post. Here you have all templates available and there is the section Video again. And here you can select Training, Recap or Message. Of course, if you follow this second approach, you have no video directly embedded on the page, so you have to do this manually and later in a second time. Now that I created this other page, I can go over this web part, which is the stream web part, and then I can target my video, for example. Let's click on Insert, and now my video is embedded on the page. Okay, we have seen how to promote videos in SharePoint pages. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, please consider to subscribe, like, add a comment down below, let me know about this feature. I hope to see you next time.